Hello, family. Good evening, or good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending when you'll be seeing this video. So, welcome back as I share with you how I made this delicious Egusi soup called melon. So, today I'll be cooking with stockfish, kanda, and red meat. So, what did I do first? I first of all washed my red meat, my kanda, my stockfish with salt and clean water, raised with so many water. Then I cooked it. While I was cooking my meat, I went in to pound my melon. Yes, I have to pound it due to I don't have a grinder and I forgot to go out with it. This melon was given to me by my mom when I visited home. So she gave me this melon. So I didn't grind it there due to it's the melon. I have to dry it before grinding it. So I couldn't wait to do all those things because I was leaving. So I went home with it, and when it turns out for me to cook with it, I went to the market. I also forgot to go to the market with my egusi. So when I came home, I don't know what to do. I have to pound it. I have to use my mortar and start pounding it. At the end of it, I didn't pound everything. Everything wasn't smooth because I saw some leftover melon which did not grind very well. You may be asking, why is my voice this low? Sorry, as at the time I was making this video, it was 11:17 p.m. at night, and I'm so tired and weak. So I'm not sure. I'm feeling sleepy, safe, but I need to post something today on my social media. I need to post something, so I want to edit this and try and post something for you guys. So that was why my voice is like this. I'm feeling sleepy and I'm tired already. It may be a little cloudy, it may be lumbera, you may feel a little lonely, you don't want to hold on tight. See, I want you to remember, maybe my last for the night, but I comes right in the morning. It's just oh my god, I love this music so much. I love so much, love it. Okay, when I was done washing my meat, I decided to slice my onions into my meat. And next was my pepper. I'm using fresh pepper this time, so I'll be pounding it. So when my pepper has been smoothly pounded, I decided to add my crayfish to pound together also. Then into my meat, I added my 2 cubes of Maggi seasoning. And next was some pinch of salt. And next was my pepper and crayfish mixture. And I added some water to cook my meat. So at this point, my meat is on the fire. Then next, I will go in pounding my melon, which is my egusi. So let me properly introduce myself. My name is Amarachi Ami for short, a 27-year-old mother of 3 who the husband is not in support of her content creating. So she is hiding to create her content. And yeah, my egusi is now smoothly pounded and ready to cook with. So at this point, my meat is well cooked Next, I have to go in with my palm oil, and next was my egusi mixed with my pepper and crayfish. If you watch after I was done pounding it, I have to add it into the plate. I put my pepper and crayfish mixture, and so I added them all here. So after my egusi have cooked for some minutes, I added more 2 cubes of Maggi seasoning. And next was my ogiri or opehe, whichever one you know it as. So next was some pinch of salt as follows. Then my bitter leaf into, and I stir completely. So at this point, I have to test it and know what I'm doing to know if my salt is okay, if my ingredient is okay, if I need to add more. And finally, the food is ready. I dish the one I and my kids will eat. So come join us. So if you watch to this point, please, your support will go a long way for me. I really will appreciate and be grateful for it. Please support me with your subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye bye.